The main process flow of pulp molded products includes forming, hot pressing, edge cutting, etc. The connection of each process requires product transfer. Common product transfers include semi-automatic manual transfer, fully automatic vacuum transfer, and mechanical transfer. Vacuum transfer includes vacuum adsorption transfer on the mold and vacuum adsorption transfer on the suction nozzle. Mechanical transfer includes robotic arm transfer and mesh frame transfer. The carbon pollution in the industry is often generated during the hot pressing process. The most common form of hot press transfer currently is vacuum adsorption transfer on hot press molds. This requires that the hot pressing upper mold must be designed with holes. The blockage generated during the hot pressing process is the cause of carbon deposition pollution, due to the limited space of the hot pressing station. Therefore, it can only be achieved through the robotic arm, or the design of the mesh frame transfer heating and pressing mold smooth surface to solve this problem. However, the robotic arm still requires vacuum assistance, higher energy consumption than grid frame transfer technology, and in terms of transfer efficiency, it is not as high as grid frame transfer technology.